Okay, we've turned our pieces inside out. We've sewn a 2-inch flap on that. That's for the arms. Now the legs, we've put the 2-inch piece up here. We've sewn that. So now what we want to do is we want to come down from the point here where you sewed at your 2-inch mark. You want to come down 8 inches. And then you want to come down another, from this point you want to come down another 8 inches. And do that with both, these are the legs, do that with both the legs. Come down 8. 8. And then the final piece is about 6 inches. So you got 2 inches from here to here, 8 inches from here to here, 8 inches from here to here, and then this is the bottom, the foot, which is about 6 inches with whatever you got left there. So now at this point, what you want to do is I've got regular polyfill that you can buy at any store that carries fabrics. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the foot and we're going to stuff it with the polyfill. Take a stick or whatever and tuck it all the way down. There. Okay, so this part of the leg, we stuffed it down to where we have our first 8-inch mark. So at that point we want to sew this shut right here. Okay, so we got this filled here. Now we're going to fill this with polyfill down to the next line, our 8-inch mark. Okay, Now we got this filled down to this line, so now we're going to sew across this and sew it shut. Up here. Okay, so now we've got this done. So this will get attached to the body. This is like where the knee is bent. And then this is your foot. So if you're going to put feet on your dummy, then you don't want to put polyfill in this, because you're going to attach your foot to here. If you're going to have put shoes on him or socks or whatever, then you want to fill this part in with the polyfill.